All right, so hello, all you wonderful, beautiful, beautiful, wonderful people. I want you to see this guy real quick. Let me just. Pretty, ain't it?
Are going to pass to the cabin to collect any items you would like to discard.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe.
Let's get right into this video. So, remember, I just got mad stuff like I normally do. What I'm actually going to be doing today is trying to construct a rain jacket for Donovan. Why a rain jacket? So boom. Donovan currently works as a bike courier in Manhattan. So that's either working for Caviar, DoorDash, Postmates. And with him doing that, that sometimes requires him to work in the rain. Now, he's tried everything in terms of waterproof or weatherproof wear, weatherproof like jackets and equipment, and it never works. The water always gets through somehow, and it's typically because those products are made out of nylon, as opposed to something like plastic. Maybe nylon is a form of plastic, I don't know. But they probably, because the way that I see it in my head, that they probably still want the material to be breathable so that you don't feel like you're in a plastic bag. But since he's in the rain for hours and hours and hours, the plastic bag would probably be better for him so that he can stay completely dry, and still be able to work. So I have this old shower curtain, and I also have one of his sweaters that he does not mind me cutting up, and I'm gonna be using these to construct the rain jacket. Sheesh. Let's get right into it. So first things first. So yeah, this isn't a tutorial or anything like that. So, might end up being a fail bit video, to be honest, because that happens a lot. But what I'm gonna start off by doing, he doesn't mind if I cut this up, and I might use this to make other things as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and I love these scissors. These are Gingier. They're Italian scissors, I guess. And I believe I went into like one of those stores kinda on 34th Street. And they were trying to tell me that this was $40 in store. And I'm like, bruh. And I got this for like $14 on Amazon. And this scissor is like amazing. And now we have the body. So now we have, this is our back. This is our front. So I'm gonna lay down. Oh, this is perfect. This looks like enough to make mistakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down, and I'm gonna cut I'm gonna leave like an inch of room or whatever when I cut. Get my pins because I want to make sure that this bad boy doesn't really move too much. Ow. And immediately I stick my finger. Okay, so this is my rotary cutter, and like I said, I'm gonna keep some space, about an inch. And I really love my rotary cutter. I feel like it makes everything way easier. Yeah, so I actually have no clue what happens to the rest of the footage, but I basically took the rest of the pieces that I cut out and pinned them down and cut them out with the rotary cutter as well. Now we're gonna cut to me actually trying to sew two of the pieces together. Okay, that's a jam. I'm gonna try one more time because I feel like I just put mad effort into cutting out the pieces and all of that stuff. Once again, I don't know where the footage went, but basically after this, I tried again and my machine did the same thing. So I decided to try and get a hot glue gun and fill and kind of end part one here. All right, so this is actually a couple days later from me filming the first part of this video. In these past couple of days, we have finally acquired a glue gun and some hot glue, a hot glue gun and some hot glue. So, me being anxiety prone, and Melissa, I had to look up how to use a glue gun before, I use it. So, I looked up the instructions that I feel like, I thought that it might, I don't know, I thought that there was more to it. I don't think I really needed instructions. And that's what I learned when I looked at the instructions. He was just like, plug it in. Once you plug it in, you put the glue in the back. Once you put the glue in the back, you let it get hot. Don't touch this because it's gonna be hot, because that's where the stuff comes out. I'm like, oh, I don't think I needed to watch this. So basically, I'm gonna give this a little time to heat up. I don't even know if this is on. Is this on?
What are you making?
The rain jacket.
Okay. Why are you using a hot glue gun?
Because I almost broke my sewing machine when I tried to sew it
I
together.
feel like that didn't happen. I feel like
I have the footage.
what about pants?
You asking for a lot right now. This is a rain jacket.
Oh, I thought it was a rain suit.
There's not enough material. There's not enough shower curtain left for it. Maybe when we get rid of this shower curtain, you could get some pants.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this piece. This is the hood, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pin it here, and I'm going to just glue along this line, and I'm praying to God that this goes the way that I see it going in my head. But I'm squeezing the nozzle. Oh, maybe it has to travel. Oh shit! Okay, figured it out. Oh my God. Nothing.
Over there screaming.
Because, okay, so this little glue patch that is here from earlier, I thought it was still hot, and I touched it and it went on my fingers, so my brain was expecting it to be hot.
So you made a noise for nothing? Oh my God.
I made a noise because of the expectation.
So what you made? So nothing happened to you?
Yeah, nothing happened.
But you made a noise.
But because I thought something was going to happen to me. And this is why Donovan thinks that I should not have a taser.
What? Oh yeah, that's a fact.
So, okay, now that this portion is done, no!
Why did that happen?
I'm trying to figure out why it happened. It's probably because it's plastic. Oh my gosh, fuck. I think once it cools, it just peels off. I'm about to look up how to join plastic. Why am I always doing fail videos? I feel
maybe
like...
maybe that's oh, you know what's crazy? I think for plastic, you need something that melts the plastic together. That kind of like, I don't know, maybe it tastes
Like fire?
No, it's not like fire.
I think you said like fire.
I'm pretty sure that's not what I said.
It's like fire?
Pretty sure. Not.
All right, so I'm gonna try fire.
I feel like that's not a good idea.
Why not?
Because I don't think that's a good idea. I think that.
I'm gonna try fire. Ooh. Okay, fine. I won't try fire. I have an even better idea. So this is attempt number 3. Are you ready for this?
Probably.
I don't know, babe. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I just made a heart because I'm Melissa, and you know, why not make a heart? And this is not coming out. Alright, so I'm like, okay, maybe I just need to use more glue. So I'm gonna try this again, like a 3rd time in a day. Let's see how this goes. What do you think? Bitch. Oh, that's funny.
You burn yourself. That's funny, if you did burn yourself, I feel like your reaction is a lot less than when you actually when you think you're gonna burn yourself. I feel like you'd be like, oh shit, bitch. Almost burn yourself. What happened? I thought I was about to burn myself. It's like, so you didn't actually burn yourself? You just human? So, I thought that was kind of fun.
This is a fail. Final fail. Yeah, so after all that work, I had Donovan try on the suit, and it was too small because I made it like a hoodie, and it's wintertime, so he's gonna have to wear it over his jacket. And then on top of that, it started falling apart again. Like, it started, I guess the glue finally cooled down, and it started to come apart. So this is why this is another fail.
Figure out a solution when you know you don't have anything on it.
This is not my fault.
I didn't make it.